This is called Daragaon. Enjoyed a lot?
Yes.
Finished taking bath?
Yes, we finished.
Finished. Feeling cool now?
Yes, we're feeling cold.
Feeling refreshed?
Yeah, refreshing. Like ice.
Yes. We love visiting border areas. Our group today.
Yes, this
Of
is
course,
the
Sir
gang.
Alfred today. Bro
Hello.
Fulgence from the local.
Yeah,
That side visit Basmutari and Kamal bro who was. So we are going ahead to give you better view. So go on watching. And such kind of tea garden is very common in this place. Now you can see the view. Wow, I never thought that it would be such a beautiful, man. Wow. Very excited and want to go closer and closer. This way. Left side. Oh.
If you wanna wake up, there's places I could take you. Lost in the dream of what comes in.
By looking the road condition, we can understand very rarely this place have been visited.
The best drop, gon' give it to you, baby, don't stop.
Daragaon, Darazaon. This is in Baksa District of Bodoland. And this is around some 45 kilometers from Pathsala town. This is Indo Bhutan border area. After a few kilometers that side, we get Bhutan. Right now we are in India. And also we can see the beautiful views of hills of Bhutan. And this is the perfect place to hang out during hot summer. Because here you will get beautiful streams and river flows.
And I've lost everything, forever living in the dark.
Perfect. Visiting this place without taking bath is incomplete.
I feel so alive.
Our bro is really enjoying.
Yes.
Enjoying, bro, enjoying.
Yes, why not? We are enjoying.
Yes, today it's very hot, maybe around 35 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And the name of this river is Diring River.
Alive, still remembering.
Sir, going to take bath?
Yeah, man. Current is very strong.
Very strong. We have to go a little down.
We need to go a little down.
Yeah. Hey, come. Oh. Our current is very strong. We cannot stand steady here. Can you try to stand steady? One stone in. We have to go some more down.
It won't, but it ends with you.
Wave is there.
Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound.
Incomparable with Sorolpara, because in Sorolpara it is plain and lots of open spaces there. Whereas here in Daragaon Diring, SSB camp is right near there. That is why you cannot enjoy freely here because of the security reasons here. We are blessed to have such beautiful places in all over Bodoland, in all the 4 districts, that is in Kilometres, Sirang, Baksa and Odalguri. It's just 38 kilometers from Barama, National Highway 31 or 33, I don't know. And Musulpur, it is just 18 kilometers. Woo! Just having fun.
Still surrendering, trying hard to forgive.
What a lovely place. Really enjoying the cool shower. You'll not get anywhere.
Forgive you.
And you can see this side even buffaloes, are enjoying this river. Some are crossing. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, 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 oh. You can see there how you and buffaloes are enjoying here. Oh. Slide down in line. Oh my God. See that. Oh. Enjoyed a lot.
Yes.
Finished taking bath.
Yes, yes, we finished.
Finished. Feeling cool now.
Yes, 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 we're feeling cold.
Feeling refreshed.
Yeah, refreshing. Like ice.
Yes. And see you in next video. Bye bye. Bye.
There is some time, I'm more than words.